Oh, hi there. I had a couple of deliveries today. One is not particularly exciting for the bike, but another one is. And I hadn't heard of it until the weekend. But let me show you. First of all, we have the non-exciting product. I had one on my 1250. It does work. And they're not too expensive. I think it's 75 quid. And it is a cool cover. They don't look the best, but they are very effective. Now, to the bit that I'm more excited about. It is a company called Peak Design. Now, I've got a Quadlock on this phone, and I've had a Quadlock for a while now with a charging case. And there's more often than not, when I'm trying to get the phone on, you're sort of spinning it around and it won't click on, and it's a pain in the ass. And most recently on the new BMWs, like this bike here, it's a USB-C port. So, and the back of the Quadlock is C, so it's a C to C. And Quadlock don't sell a C to C cable, which is ridiculous. So, and also the Quadlock mag case, you can't use on a mag charger in your house. But this you can. Now this, as I said, came in quite a hefty £209. But hopefully you'll see that it does solve a problem. I'll chuck this on and I'll show you what it looks like. So first thing is noticeable is much thinner. Let's show you that compared to the Quadlock. And there's the difference in the back. I think that's quite a big difference, you know. Anyway. That's that part. For anybody that's interested, I am selling that mag charger for someone who wants one. Yeah, so I was basically searching online quite a lot for an alternative to a Quadlock. It's one of those companies that sort of, it's the one everybody uses, and people don't search much further, it seems. So this connection is that to that, and then a C to that C. Oh, I get it. Right, I'll take you over there now. Let's have a look. So you can see with the mag head, you push it down and the phone licks on. But you're trying to. Let me see if I can do it while I'm filming. Let me take you over here. I've got this camera in my hand and my phone in this hand. So, hopefully, this will work. Right, let me put you on, clicking down on that. Hopefully this will. Fucks. Right, there you go. Faffing about. Hello. And I don't like that. So we'll just undo that clamp there, pop the wire out, and we're good to go. Right, let's put you back on the whiteboard. And you. Right. So what we got? We've got the cool cover in. A bit of a lump at the moment. To tweak that. And the Peak Design charger. So let's see how it works. Straight in, on. No fucking about. And there's a little button on each side. I think you can see it just about there. There's one on each side. Press and take it off. On. Take it off. In landscape, on, take it off. Now that's a good fucking solution to the problem. Anyway, after all that, if you could hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Cheers.